Welcome back my channel DJ Motor Trends. Today 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a testament to the brand's commitment to delivering a perfect balance of style, power, and comfort in a mid-sized cruiser. Designed to cater to both new and experienced riders, this motorcycle brings classic cruiser aesthetics with modern enhancements that make it a top contender in its category. Whether for daily commuting or long-distance touring, the Vulcan 900 promises a refined riding experience with its smooth engine, comfortable ergonomics, and well-balanced handling. At the heart of the Vulcan 900 lies its 903cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering a solid punch of torque and smooth power delivery. The fuel-injected engine ensures efficiency while maintaining the classic rumbling exhaust note that cruiser enthusiasts love. With a 5-speed transmission and a belt final drive, the bike offers seamless shifts in a low-maintenance drivetrain, ideal for those who prefer more time on the road and less time in the garage. The engine is tuned for a relaxed yet engaging ride, making it suitable for both highway cruising and urban maneuverability. A key highlight of the 2025 model is its enhanced styling. Kawasaki has introduced new color schemes and finishes, giving the Vulcan 900 a fresh yet timeless appeal. Chrome accents on the engine, exhaust, and handlebars contrast beautifully with the deep paint finishes, ensuring the bike turns heads wherever it goes. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank, which holds 5.3 gallons, adds to its long-haul capability while complementing the cruiser's flowing lines. A low-slung, cushioned seat enhances comfort, making extended rides more enjoyable for both the rider and passenger. Handling and ride quality are where the Vulcan 900 truly shines. Its steel double-cradle frame provides stability while maintaining a lightweight feel, ensuring confident control even at lower speeds. The front features a 41mm telescopic fork, while the rear has a 7-way adjustable mono-shock, delivering a plush ride over varying road conditions. The 180mm rear tire, one of the widest in its class, enhances traction and adds to the bike's commanding stance. Combined with a low seat height of 26.8 inches, riders of all experience levels will appreciate the ease of maneuverability. Braking performance is well balanced, with a 300mm front disc and a 270mm rear disc, offering reliable stopping power. The optional ABS variant provides an added layer of safety, ensuring confidence in unpredictable riding conditions. Whether navigating city traffic or open highways, the Vulcan 900 remains responsive and controlled, making it a versatile choice for different riding scenarios. Technology-wise, the 2025 Vulcan 900 retains a simple yet functional approach. A classic analog speedometer with a digital display keeps essential information easily accessible, preserving the bike's retro appeal while ensuring modern convenience. LED lighting enhances visibility, improving safety during nighttime rides. The handlebar-mounted controls are intuitive, allowing riders to focus on the road without unnecessary distractions. While it doesn't come with advanced rider aids like traction control, its predictable power delivery and smooth ride make it manageable even for newer riders. Kawasaki has also focused on customization options, allowing riders to tailor their Vulcan 900 to their preferences. Various accessories, including saddlebags, windshields, and upgraded seats, enable riders to enhance comfort and practicality. For those who love the classic cruiser look, Kawasaki offers a special edition trim with unique graphics and additional chrome accents, further elevating its visual appeal. Fuel economy remains impressive for a bike of this size, with riders averaging around 45 to 50 mpg, making it an economical choice for those who enjoy long rides without frequent fuel stops. The combination of a large fuel tank and efficient engine ensures extended range, making it a great option for touring enthusiasts. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 continues to stand out in the midsize cruiser segment by offering a perfect mix of power, comfort, and style. Its well-balanced chassis, reliable performance, and attention to detail make it a worthy choice for those looking for an approachable yet capable cruiser. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of cruisers, the Vulcan 900 delivers an experience that is both thrilling and comfortable. With its timeless design, smooth performance, and thoughtful upgrades, this motorcycle proves why the Vulcan lineup has remained a favorite among cruiser fans for years.